So porcelain veneers, what's the process like? Like, how do you let the patient know what their teeth are going to look like ahead of time?
That's a great question. Now, we customize the process for every patient because everyone is different. Some patients would like to see before and after. Some would like to hear the whole process. But in general, when they walk in, first of all, we talk to them. We find out what they're specifically looking for. And the next step is when I find out what it is for, we take pictures. And then we can show them digitally what they described in their face.
Okay.
There was a case recently done where a patient, she was in her late 50s, I believe, 60s, maybe early 60s. But all her life, she was looking for wider, brighter smile. Her teeth were worn down. She was showing a lot of gums. And when we showed her the digital mock-up or picture of how we project the smile to look like, you know, I'm looking at her and she has a tear coming in her eye. And I knew that that's exactly what she was looking for. And that's exactly what we gave her on the same day, actually. We started the case and she left the office with a wider, brighter smile. She was proud. Now, it took a couple of weeks to get the final results. Porcelain veneers were placed then.
So it starts with like a temporary set of teeth?
That's
for
correct.
like the tryout?
Correct. We want to make sure that temporary veneers are exactly what patient was looking for.
Okay.
And sometimes they say, I want this more sharp, more round, and that's easy to do in the temporaries. That helps us to design the final product exactly what the patient is looking for. So they wear the temporaries for a week or two.
Okay.
That give us a patient a chance to get used to it, to the new look, to the new feel, to let us know what they like, what they want to change. And then when they come back and we deliver permanents, now those are amazing. Porcelain shines through. There's the ridges and lines, and patient comes alive.
And they don't stain? Veneers, really?
The porcelain doesn't stain, no.
Okay, okay. And how long can they last?
They can last many, many, many years as long as you take care of them.
Just like regular teeth, they can last a lifetime?
They can. I had a case about that, if you want to know about that. I had a case many, many years ago I did in school. And we're still friends. She still cuts my hair. But one day she forgot, and it was 20 years after we placed them. She bit on a fork. Well, guess what? Fork did not break.
Yeah.
So we had to repair that, yes.
So veneers can last as long
Many,
as,
many, many years.
if it's done properly.
If you're taking care of, yes.